Hello everybody, got a puzzle here by CreativeWorkShopCA. It's made in Canada. They sell on Etsy. It's called the 369 puzzle. Shake. So right off, you can pull the 6 out. But as far as the 3 and 9, they're locked in there. The idea of this puzzle is it's a mechanical puzzle. You take it apart. So we can take this, and it's got a magnet on the bottom, magnets on the sides. So you put it on the side. Take this out. Take this one out. Switch them around. Just like it says to do, shake. And there it is. Of course, no puzzle is complete without putting it back together. And there it is. The 369 puzzle. Very simple if you know the little trick.